Hey guys, welcome back. Happy 4th of July. We are going to my sister-in-law's house. We're staying over the night. I actually packed the weekender bag from Petunia Pickle Bottom, and then I'm also taking the bag. I am taking my pillow, my little pillow, and her pillow, and one of her favorite blankets with us. My sister-in-law's gonna be like, "Are you moving in?" I'm in overpack here, and I feel like I didn't pack that much. So, ya vamos, mi amor. Ya vamos. Alright, so we're about to head out. Well, not really. My husband's still getting ready, but she wants to go see her daddy, so we're going downstairs. Alright, so I'm actually going to take my method bag, which is just my Jaber bag. But since they're matching, you know, I'm extra, so I'm taking both. So we're taking the Weekender from Petunia Pickle Bottom. They only have, I believe, 2 prints on the website. One's actually on clearance, and this one. And then I am taking my sandals. My daughter's sandals are actually right under that, actually right here. That's what she's wearing today. And then I am taking her 2 pillows that she loves sleeping with, and then my pillow, just because I'm used to a smaller pillow. That is irrelevant. But yeah, so let me go ahead and show you how I have it packed. I'll kind of unpack it with you guys so you guys can see it. So it is only overnight, so this might be a little overkill, but it is for me, my husband, and my daughter. So in here, I actually have the changing pad that comes with it. I have some wipes in here and some Vaseline in here. Some Vaseline, and I also have her little thing to apply her diaper rash ointment. And then in this one, I have pads because it's Mama's time of the month. So that is what I got there. This is her sound machine. The cable's actually in the bag. I have some wipes for her. This is all like our sunblock, my sunblock, and bug repellent. I did get both of these from Dollar Tree, so I'm taking obviously both of those for her today. This is my makeup. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to do my makeup tomorrow, but I'm taking it just in case we do go somewhere. But yeah, this is my makeup. I'll show you guys a detailed one of this in a couple weeks. I am taking my portable heating pad. Also vibrates because, again, I am on flow and I just don't want to be in pain. So I'm taking that. These are some extra diapers. Since I am taking some in my actual diaper bag, which is basically packed like normal, I am taking these guys. She wore it last night when we went to another fireworks show, and she liked it, so I'm taking it again. I'm taking a towel for her and a towel for me and my husband if we do need to take a bath. I'm not taking like shampoo and stuff. I do have shampoo for her at my sister-in-law's house, but me and my husband can just use whatever body wash my sister-in-law or her husband use. This is her PJs and her change of clothes for tomorrow, and some socks. It's in here. My husband is probably going to take extra shorts, but he hasn't given them to me. They totally fit in here. These are his pajama pants, and then in here is actually my PJs, and I could wear my PJs tomorrow also. If we do end up going anywhere, basically the same thing. And then my husband's shirt, underwear, and boxers and stuff like that is in here as well. And then back here I have charger. I have the plug for the actual sound machine. I have my makeup remover wipes. And then I have these deodorant wipes as well, since it's going to be very, very hot. Zip that up. And then everything can just go right back in there. Really it, guys. So again, it's just an overnighter, so we don't really need that much. But just the essentials. I am going to pack a little bit of a cooler bag though, for stuff for her for tomorrow for breakfast, and some stuff that she likes eating right before bed as well. So I'll show you guys that in just a second. All right, so I am taking an extra water. My sister-in-law has like a machine thing, so sometimes my husband just wants a bottle of water. I already prepared me and my husband's coffee, so we will share that. My daughter likes milk in the morning, so I already prepared that as well, since I do put a little bit of banana fiber in it. I made rice today, which I'm taking with us because they're only doing like hot dogs and stuff, and my daughter actually doesn't eat hot dogs. So yeah, taking 2 juices. I'm also taking some prune juice. I am going to take some biscuits for breakfast tomorrow. My sister-in-law has eggs, so we're set on that. I am taking some yogurt. She likes eating yogurt sometimes before bed, so taking 3 in case my husband wants one as well, or myself. Some granola to go with that. Taking some cheese and some snacks that she likes that are cold. I don't even know if this fits in here, but I'm gonna make it fit. It's basically a plate and her other plate. I have spoons and stuff like that in my bag, and then I'm also taking her cup that she loves drinking her milk in. I should take out the straw, right? Like that. I could probably not need to put this in here, but I'm over here trying to be extra. Probably put it in a Ziploc bag and throw it in the bag, but that's all. Like the snacks, just for an overnighter. I know, but we like things particular, so you can just imagine what I'm packing when we go to Florida, right? Also, I'm actually wearing the, let me show you on this side. Maybe she won't come out as much. I'm actually wearing the, what's it called? The bodysuit from the Amazon TikTok, and I kind of really like it. I do have obviously a mom pouch, but I got cut open to have my daughter, so it is what it is. But I do like how it looks this way. My daughter looks so cute too, and we're matching shoes today. I won't show you guys because they're sandals, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is the day after 4th of July, and if you could tell, or maybe you can't tell, I'm actually home. So we did have 4th of July at my sister-in-law's house. All right, so we didn't actually sleep over. At about 11:30ish, my husband was like, I kind of just want to go home. And I was like, are you for real? And he's like, yeah, I kind of just want to sleep in our own bed, which I get because he works he didn't work today, he works tomorrow. He's like, you just want to rest before he has to work the next day, right? So I was like, okay, like, that's fine, like, let's just go home then. So we came home and we slept in our bed. So the only thing that kind of sucks is I really wanted my daughter to not sleep at home, just because when we go on a trip, we're obviously not sleeping at home. So I wanted her to kind of get, not used to it, but just kind of get that you're sleeping over someone else's house. Didn't go that way. So yeah, I ended up just bringing everything back. I still got to unpack everything now, which I hate, but I do have to unpack it. And yeah, I didn't even vlog 4th of July because I freaking suck, guys. I suck at vlogging at my sister-in-law's house. It's just my sister-in-law's house for some reason. I suck. And then we had a couple of extra people come than the normal people that come over to my sister-in-law's house. So I didn't want to make it awkward for myself or for them. So my daughter went in the pool. Everybody had a good time. And then they watched soccer. I don't like soccer, so I was kind of like bored out of my mind for like 3 hours while they all watched soccer. Their team lost, so I'm so mean. But yeah, and then there wasn't that much. There was a lot of fireworks, but the people that usually have all the fireworks by my sister-in-law's house didn't actually do fireworks this year, which is weird. So it was okay. We saw fireworks the day before anyways. And my daughter was like, she liked it for like 10 minutes and then she was over it. So we'll see how she does at Disney. But yeah, today we're gonna go out to eat with my in-laws. Another thing I don't like doing, but they like going out to eat. I sound so lame. But I don't like going out to eat. They want to try a restaurant. I don't like being in the car for long unless I have to, and we're gonna be stuck in their little car because their bigger car doesn't work. So I'm just like, can we just drive our own car? But anyways, I sound like I'm just complaining. I just wanted to continue this 4th of July vlog that I failed filming. So yeah, let's go out to eat. And this is why I don't like going out to eat with them. I'm so tired. So it was an hour drive there. We were there for like an hour and then an hour drive back with a almost 3-year-old in the car. So she actually did really good, so I'm really proud of her. But we got lucky because normally she's not like that.
She did get fussy a couple times. I just kind of had to distract her because lately she hasn't been wanting to be on her tablet, like at all. So like I know a lot of people are like, oh, don't give them too much tablet and they'll get addicted to it. Not mine. Mine will literally be on the tablet max maybe all day, maybe 30 minutes to an hour. She gets bored of the tablet. She does watch her shows, but like on the car rides lately, she's been just preferring to look out the window, or if we interact with her. But yeah, that really made me tired, and I got a little bit motion sickness. If I'm actually in the back part of the car, back part of the car, if I'm not sitting in as passenger princess, I get a little car sick. So yeah, I'm just happy to be home. I need to make my husband lunch. I get really sleepy though.